Hello fellow YouTubers, Bear Prepper here. Well, wanted you to see the damage that was done. Found about 9 chickens outside the fence yesterday. So you can see the big hole right in there. Right there, a big huge hole. And that's where they're getting in and out. We also had a hole at the other end, blocked up with rocks. So we're going to try to pick that fence up. And we'll do a video while we're doing it. Okay, so here's what we accomplished. Got the fence in about 6 foot further than it was. Comes up, and I know it's hard to see, but we have an L shaped right there. Some rocks down below for now. We're going to figure out a flip panel for it. And the netting's back up. We did lose 1 blackberry and some plum branches, and every single plum off the trees gone. We got some blackberries turning red down this end, so hopefully I'll still get some blackberries this year. There's the Americana.
Oh, there he is.
That's not the puffy cheek one, though. The lighter one is the puffy, the white one there. I don't know if you can see it. The one right under the hen house. Right there. She's the one that's got the puffy cheeks. I haven't figured out how to make her display yet. That don't work either. I don't want to scare her. She's gonna eat his hand. Look at the puffy cheeks on this one. Puff Munster. Americana. Oh, come on.
Chicken hawk.
Or a chicken hawk. Pretty bird. Very pretty bird. They got bigger than I thought they would. For some reason I thought Americanas would stay small. But they are very pretty birds. Okay, so here's what the garden looks like. We tried to stake them up yesterday, the first couple rows. They were so intertwined. Pulled the rest of the lettuce up, so we now have our walkway. Only issue is we don't have our walkway here because the carrots aren't ready. And you can't see the row of green peppers because of the tomatoes. Planted some zucchini and some yellow squash down at the base of the garden. But the tomatoes, because of all the rain and all the nitrogen from the chicken manure, they're just going nuts. We do have a lot of tomatoes. We threw off a bunch yesterday that were rotted because the vines were laying on the ground. And so we took care of the worst ones. And we still got to do these rows. But progress. I know we've got to do the figure 8 weave, but we had to do something just to at least get them up. And then we'll go back through with a figure 8 when we can. But it's looking pretty good. We got 2 green peppers and 1 tomato. It's more than we had last year this time, so that's exciting. But the bad part is, right when we finished the fence last night, sitting on the porch, and I heard a crack. Let's show you what happened. Heard a crack, and what do we find? Over the netting, huge red oak. The whole thing just split off. So now we got more work cut out for us. See that? Only leaves this one little branch, so we're going to take the whole thing down. We got some new trees, so we'll plant them there. But of course the chickens, they were all out of the way, thank goodness. And the netting is still up, so they're still safe. But we got a heck of a job. We'll get it done. Blessings.